Hey, what's up out there in YouTube land? Today we're going to be looking at how to change the air filter in a Honda Accord. Okay, as I was saying, we're going to be showing you how to change the air filter in the Honda Accord. And here it is right here. For the Honda Accord, it's actually not too difficult. There are three filters you really want to worry about. Your oil filter, that filters the oil, your cabin filter, which I actually did a video on that earlier, and then you can find a link on that down below. And then the air filter right here, which actually helps in the process of combustion for gasoline engines. Okay, so really quickly, I'm going to show you how the cover for the air filter is connected. There's a clip right here, which I actually already took off, that little silver clip, and there's another silver clip down there, which I pushed off. There is a silver clip down there. You can see how that one's already off right there. And then it's held by these two tabs right here. So I'm just going to kind of push on it and show you how it shifts forward. Okay, so I'm actually have to put this down, and then I'm gonna pull the cover off, and I'll show you how that goes. So right now I'm gonna shift that forward and give it a lift. All right, be right back. Okay, and now I've taken the air filter cover off using both hands. You can see how the cover just sits right on top of the air filter right here, and you could just lift the air filter up, take it out, walk it into the store, take a look at the catalog, or talk to the person behind the desk to find out which air filter you need. Come back out in the parking lot, switch out the air filter, put it back in here, put the cover back on. So basically I'm going to shift it forward, align these tabs back into these slots right here, and I've got three tabs over here that I got to cover up. 1, 2, and then 3. Basically I just lift them up, that clips right in place, that holds the cover down, and that is how we change the air filter in a Honda Accord. If you do that, you will improve your gas mileage significantly. All right, and that covers that. If you have any questions, leave comments, give me a like, subscribe, and I appreciate it. You guys have a great rest of the day.